The international standard ISO 8573-12010 Class 0 defines the strictest classification for air purity levels. It sets rigorous requirements for solid particles, pressure dew point, and oil content. V&T's oil-free scroll air compressors meet the ISO 8573-12010 Class 0 standard, ensuring the highest level of compressed air purity. Whether in the food and beverage, pharmaceutical, electronics, or any other industry where high-quality compressed air is critical, V&T provides safe and clean compressed air, eliminating concerns related to air quality in the production process.